Okay, new for 2020 from Indigo Tactical is the Indigo Tac Red Label fin. This fin performs over 14% better than other performance-based fins. It's designed by chemists and mechanical engineers, and it looks a lot like the Indigo Tac fin, but there are some key differences. And there's ways that you can tell them apart. For one, right down here, I don't know if you can see it on film, but there's a RL stamped into the fin. On the bottom of the fin, the power transfer plate extends further up the sides, and that is to change the transfer of power into the fin, and it makes the fin a little bit more rigid. So it's designed for performance spinners who are trained to fin, and it's sold only to military, to public safety, and for commercial applications. This fin is very lightweight. It uses, the material itself is thin, so we have a nice, comfortable, smooth fin, but it's also quite rigid. And there's reasons for that. We want a lightweight fin, and we do that because finning is a start-stop motion. So we start a kick, and then we stop it at the top of the cycle, and then start again and stop it at the bottom of the cycle. That's easier to do with less weight. It also, because it's rigid, it resists the urge to actually fold on and sail. And so when you're turning, it cuts through the water instead of sailing and resisting that movement. We use an open toe design because we want a really short fin so that there's less leverage working against the diver as he's finning. The open toe, though, allows us to bring the fin back but use working fin underneath the diver's toes. So we get a really good bite of water on each stroke, but we're not exerting all that energy. And the transfer of power goes, instead of going through the shins and into the small hip flexors, it goes through the ankles and into the bigger quadriceps. It utilizes our proprietary spring strap design that fixes itself to any 9/16 post. It has the stiffeners on the top of the fin actually work to create more resistance on the power stroke while relieving the fin on the recovery stroke. So the power stroke they have to stretch, the recovery stroke they're relieving the fin, and so each direction has a slightly different feel, harder, easier as you power through the cycle. So this is Indigo Tactical's Red Label Tac Fin.